Unit Overview. Aliens, ghosts, vampires, wizards. Fantasy and science fiction stories have endless possibilities. Whether the characters are humans dealing with mysterious otherworldly elements or extraterrestrial beings looking for a place to call home, science fiction and fantasy authors mesmerize readers by creating new worlds. But what can fantastical stories teach us about our own world? Why are these stories so compelling to readers and writers alike? How can an escape into an imagined reality help us understand our own society? Those are the questions your students will explore in this Grade 8 unit. Iconic authors H.G. Wells, Ray Bradbury, and Jack London are featured in this unit along with fiction writers Susan Cooper and Ekaterina Sedia and poets Robert Frost, Sarah Teasdale, and Derek Harriel. Their works challenge students to reconsider their understandings of the past, the future, and what makes us human. Non-fiction texts by Randall Munroe and the United Nations Commission on Human Rights inspire students to think about two alternate realities, one in which humans need to evacuate the planet and one in which all people live together peacefully. At the end of the unit, students will turn from readers into researchers as they plan and write a research paper on the topic of their own choosing. Drawing inspiration from the authors and texts they've read in the unit, students will craft a research question and use primary and secondary sources to answer it. Their answers will guide them toward understanding how fantasy and science fiction texts help us understand the world in which we live.